Okay, this video training may be a little bit shorter because we're going to be using templates. So what I'm going to do is go to VidPenguin. Now we're going to pull up an RSS masher video. Let's go ahead and do this one here. Process map, share, copy. I'm going to click add. Now, this is how fast using your templates. Okay, get data. Let's go ahead and spin the title. We should have a good spin there. I've kind of tweaked it a little bit after we ran it through Spin Rewriter and got some tags. Let's add a few more. There we go. I'll hit update. I'm going to move to thumbnails tab, and I'm just going to leave, I'm not going to use image packs. We'll do that on the next video. Create variations and move to integrations tab, and let me show you how easy it is to use templates. So what it did was it copied the last setup that I had saved as RSS Masher strategy videos. So you'll notice everything is exactly the same as it was on that last video we made. I'm going to hit update, move to ping tab, and let's schedule this over a 30-day period. Hit update and freeze and ping, and you're done. That's how easy it is using the templates. First time you go through your setup, you may want to start saving as templates. It's just a real quick way to reuse all your integrations in the exact format that you want for the particular niches that you're sending to. So I'll see you on the next videos.